One of the reasons we do not face our goals is because when we are faced with an unexpected barrier that we're unsure how to deal with, we shut down. We become discouraged, we start making excuses, and we allow ourselves to back off of our original plan. While this is a human and natural tendency, it's not conducive to success. An important step that you can take to avoid this barrier blunder is that of carefully planning your goal to include backup plans for all those little what ifs. What if I don't pass the course? What if I don't get the loan? What if I run out of time? What if the marketing doesn't work? What if I just don't feel like it? These are all very real barriers that keep us from realizing our life dreams. By planning for them, we greatly improve our chances of succeeding and experience the power of being unstoppable. What kind of barriers can you pre-plan? First, internal barriers. Internal barriers include the thoughts you have about your goal, success, and yourself that keep you from being successful. They include your personal fears, motivations, self-esteem, and paradigms. What if I just don't feel like doing my assignment? The solution could be commit to working on it for at least 15 minutes, then take a break and come back to it later. What if I find myself procrastinating? A solution could be asking a friend to call you every day to remind you to spend a little time on your goal. Secondly, we have external barriers. External barriers include money, time, other people's reactions, resources, and results. We are not in direct control of them, but we can affect how they work, and we can still plan around them. What if the client turns down my proposal? A solution could be ask questions to find out why and resubmit your proposal. What if the presentation I prepared to show on a big screen cannot be played because of a technical error in the machine? Solution could be prepare handouts beforehand of your presentation. Practice this technique with even your small short-term goals. It feels great to know that when a brick wall appears in your path, you have the perfect solution for getting around it and getting back on the road to achievement.